Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will explain about most important SQL commands for beginner. So let's get started. Open SQL Plus in Run as administrator. Here, first point about open SQL plus as open SQL plus run as administrator. Run as administrator. Whenever you are using SQL plus, recommended to run as administrator. Here SQL plus this is the SQL plus right click run as administrator, say to as it will appear on pop-up, say to as username, spot, password, tiger. Here it is connected. I want to clear this screen. These are the lines that copyright, enter username, enter password connected. I don't want these lines. I want to clear. So for that use the clear screen command. So enter here. We are learned about one command, clear screen. So I will try to create one table. Create table. In table, I'm taking one field, like name, where to wow. I'm giving the name size, name characters length 30. So I'm trying to save. Oh my God, I'm getting the invalid table name. Yes, here, create table. Table name I am forgetted. So I want to open this query in Notepad. For that, use ed enter. Here, it will open in Notepad. Here, mention the name. So name, right? Like you can give the name, suppose profile. I'm giving name profile one. Create table, profile one table. Control S, and here file exit. So here it is exited. So it is exited, right? If you want to again, you can do. You can close it. It will appear like that. Okay. Okay. Copy then this. Control C, semicolon, enter. Table created. Here table created. Clear screen. By using ed, it will open the notepad with just now executed query, right? So I am mentioning ed. By using ed, we can open notepad with just now executed query. Here create. By using create, we can create the tables, right? Create, here we are using create command to create the table, right? So here select star from profile one. Here we got the error. Select star from profile one. The no rows are selected. Then you can insert into table name profile one. Here single quotes. Suppose name, right? I'm giving my name, semicolon. Insert into table name. Here we need to mention values. Enter. One row is inserted. So use the select command. Here center it there. So we have successfully learned about fifth is select and sixth is insert, right? Insert. ed command is used for if you are using procedures, functions kind of, then that is mostly useful. So we are select star from profile one. So we are getting the record, right? Up to we are done. Clear screen, we are learned, ed we are learned. We can open notepad with just now executed query by using ed. If you are getting any errors like this, if any errors are getting, just we can use ed to open the notepad and we can edit the. If you are using PRSQL programs, it is multiple lines there. It is difficult to edit here. So if you are using ed, then you can able to edit it. So next one, here create, we can create the tables, select, we can select the table, insert, we can insert the records. Seventh is, see here, seventh is page size, and here page size, here Here set pages and set lines. I will show why these dual commands. So I will select one predefined already existing table. I can select clear screen here. Select star from EMP for Scott user. EMP is the default table, right? So I'm accessing these records. It is not there in like good format, like free format. It is difficult to understand, right? So to easily understand, I'm setting set set pages. I am giving 150. After set lines, I am giving 150 here. Again, run same command. Select star from EMP. See here, it is now pretty form, good format. It is we can understand easily, right? So we are successful and understand set pages and set lines. Ninth command is pool command. So by using pool command, we can get the whatever operations we have done in SQL Plus. Like here, after opening this SQL Plus, he has run as administrator. We have done multiple operations, like we have created tables, we have selected. After that, we have set pages done, set lines done. These are done, right? So we want to everything, whatever operations we have done, whatever queries we have run. Here we want as a one text file. This is everything. Like we are created one table, we are inserted table, we are selected table. These are everything we want in one file. For that, it will be used for used for here used for to store store all SQL all our operations done on SQL plus will be will be stored in a file format file format stored in a file format. So I will show clear screen here. I am closing this one. I will reopen SQL plus run as administrator. Say to as on pop-up is appear. Squad tiger here. Squad tiger clear screen. So now onwards up to I'm closing this SQL plus I want to every operation whatever I am performing must be stored in a file. For that, so we need to use for we need to pass the on text file here. So for that here I'm going to my D drive. Yeah, folder is there. D column. Yeah, here there is no space. If any space is there in this path, it will not accept this path location. For example, here this is my one folder. So see here in C column users class Shankar space color is there, right? This one space is there. If it is space is there, this command will not work. So coming to here, there is no space here. See, there is no space. So you can store some directory slash. I want to store everything in a dot txt file. So now onwards, everything it will be stored in this file. Suppose I'm creating one table. Create table. Table name giving h1 for it. It has only one ID. Suppose I'm giving ID one. It is a int type. Table created. I want to insert one record. Insert into insert into table name. Table name is h1. Value is the integer type. So here insert into table name values. So one row inserted. I want to select star from h1. Take the select. So I am stopping this whole command. I want to these up to this. I want to these are stored in one text file. For that, store here one text file is created. Right? Whenever we are this using this spool command, it will be one text file is created. But in this text file, nothing is there. Whenever using spool of command, these queries up to this these operations were performed on SQL plus CLI. It will be stored. Yes, spool of enter here. Now these are the available in this file a.txt. See, open this post. We are created the table. After inserting, we are getting the error because of we are forgetted values. So after that, we are resolved that error. After that, we are selected. See, these are the way are done, right? Like that, we can store whatever operations we are performing on SQL plus we can store by using spool command. Whenever everything is done, you can spool up. Then it will be stored in file, right? So we have learned about spool. Suppose some directory like d colon slash d colon slash a dot txt. So after that, everything is done. Spool up, right? Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.